Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to view DMs on Instagram without others knowing. So basically, it's how to get no read receipts on Instagram. Very easy to do. So what I've done on my Instagram application right now is I've just sent a random message from one of my accounts to my other account right here. So as you guys see, there's a message there from my main account. Now, what you want to do before you open the message from the account that you want to have no read receipt on, you want to make sure you're disconnected from all services. So you just want to scroll down and just turn airplane mode on. You just want to ensure that your Wi-Fi, cellular signal, and everything is turned off. You have no connection to the internet whatsoever. Once that is done, you're actually able to go ahead and open the message and then screenshot, do whatever you want in here. Now, once you're done viewing the message, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and delete the application. So it's very similar to my tutorial on how to do this on Snapchat. Very, very similar. So once you have your airplane mode turned off, you can go ahead and delete the Snapchat application. And then once it's deleted, you guys want to just turn your airplane mode back off and your cellular stuff back on. And then you're able to go to the App Store and then re-download the Instagram application. I know this might be a pain, but this is the only way that I know how to do it as of right now. If there's any new ways on how to do it, I will come out with an update for this video. But I know it's a pain in the butt having to reinstall the Instagram application. But like I said, this is the only way that I know how to do it as of right now. But we'll give Instagram a couple seconds to finish installing. Once the Instagram application is done installing, you can want to go ahead and click on that again. And then I'll just open up and log you into Instagram. You can go ahead and click on the account that you want to log into. So I'll just log into this account right here. And then if I go ahead over to the DMs, I will notice that that DM is still closed, even though that we opened it up a couple minutes ago. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to view DMs without others knowing with no read receipts. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.